your Windows 10 or 11 computer is infected with a virus. In this video, I'm going to show you 3 ways to scan your computer for viruses. Let's go right into the video. So the first thing is to navigate to our settings menu. So settings, go to settings on your computer. Once the settings open, on your left side, click on privacy and security here, and then security, Windows security here. So click on Windows security to open it. Once it's open, click on the protection areas, click on the first one, which is virus and threat protection, here. So once it's open, as I said earlier, we are going to deal with 3 ways to scan your computer. So under the quick scan, we have scan options. So click on scan options. And then the first way to scan your computer is the custom scan. So the custom scan has to do with scanning a specific path on your computer, like a specific folder on your computer. So assuming our downloads folder, let's say we think that our downloads folder might be infected with a virus. So we can use the custom scan to scan only the downloads folder. So you click on custom scan and then scan now. Once you click on the scan now, it will open your Windows Explorer to choose the folder you want to scan. So okay, so now you see that my Windows Explorer is open. So I'll go to my downloads folder. So downloads, and let's say I click on this particular folder and then select folder here. Now it will start scanning. You could see that it was fast because that particular folder, I didn't really have much there. So the scan is done. So you could see here that last scan was a custom scan. It says 40 p.m. and then 0 trace was found. Scan lasted for 1 second because I had 11 files scanned. As I said, I didn't really have any files there. So the second scan way is the quick scan. So the quick scan has to do with scanning commonly found common places that threads are found. I mean, common places on your computer that threads are normally found, or common places on your computer where it's easy to be infected with a virus. So that's what the quick scan does. So once you click on quick scan, it will scan your computer of all the common places. It scan all the common places of your computer for viruses, or where viruses are normally found on your computer. That is the quick scan. So once you click on quick scan, you select quick scan, you click scan now, and then it's going to scan your computer, all the common places that viruses can be found or can be infected. It's going to scan everything and then give you the report of the scan. So you see the mine is quickly scanning because I scanned it not long ago. It's quickly going through. So I'll leave it to go through to the end, and then the report will give us the report. So it's all. So once it's done, the report, it will give us our report now. So no current trace found. So, and the scan here was a quick scan as we did. So 0 trace found. Scan lasted for 37 seconds. As I said, I scanned my machine not long ago, so I don't have any trace on my machine with the quick scan. And the last scan way to scan your computer is the full scan. So with the full scan, that means the Windows Defender is going to scan through all your files and then all your programs that is running on your hard disk. So everything that is running on your hard disk is going to be checked. It could take up to 1 hour, 30 minutes to 1 hour to scan your computer. That is depending on the number of files and then programs that you have running on your computer. So that is the full scan. So once you click on the full scan, select the full scan and you click scan now, it will scan your computer, everything on your computer, every program that is running on your hard disk. So that is the full scan. So thank you so much for watching the video. If you find this helpful, don't forget to subscribe and like the video.